Things seem to be going so well. Luckily, in the hidden kingdom, help is at hand. Dung beetles can sniff the whiff of dung half a mile away. Within minutes, thousands helicopter in. Serrations on their head saw it up. And legs like spades shape the dung into perfect balls. Most just take enough to eat. Others are out to attract female company. And for that, the bigger the balls, the better. She climbs on board for the ride. Later, she'll lay her eggs inside. As soon as the male finds them a secluded spot where they can start a family. Still, it's not all bad. At least the trail is clear. Alas, bigger problems are brewing on the horizon.